Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your content management with WordPress step by step clearly. To upgrade your content management with WordPress, start by selecting the right hosting provider. Research hosting options that offer optimized WordPress performance. Once you've chosen a provider, sign up for a suitable plan. After sign up, access your hosting account to initiate the WordPress installation process. Look for a one-click installation option, usually found in the hosting dashboard. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard using the provided credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and main features. Next, choose a theme that aligns with your content style and brand. Browse the theme repository or consider premium themes for more customization options. Install and activate your chosen theme by navigating to the Appearance section in the dashboard. Once activated, customize your theme by clicking on Customize under the Appearance menu. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your vision. Now, it's time to add essential plugins for enhanced functionality. Research plugins that support your site's objectives, such as SEO or performance optimization. Install the selected plugins by going to the Plugins menu and clicking Add New. Activate the plugins after installation to enable their features. Next, create essential pages like Home, About, and Contact. Navigate to the Pages section in the dashboard and click Add New. Utilize the block editor to structure your content effectively. Incorporate images and multimedia to enrich your pages. After setting up pages, focus on creating engaging blog posts. Go to the Posts menu and click Add New to start crafting your content. Use categories and tags to organize your posts for better navigation. When ready, hit the Publish button to make your content live. Set your site title, tagline, and time zone according to your preferences. Review your permalink structure to ensure it's user-friendly and SEO optimized. To enhance your website's visibility, install an SEO plugin. Follow the plugin's guidelines to optimize each page and post. Finally, regularly update your content and plugins to keep your site secure and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.